So now let's see how we can utilize Glass Pane inside of guided edit mode. So in order to utilize that, I'm going to go around over here under guided right here, and then over here you can see that Glass Pane is an option. So if I were to go around over here, it says use matte overlays to easily add in a glass pane to affect your videos or photos. So I'm just going to click on next to get started. Once I do that, I'm going to click on add media right here and go to files and folders right here, just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and add in a footage over here. So let me just go around and add in this footage and click on OK right here, just like this. So it says the clip you added is stored in project asset bin. So add this in video 1 section right here. And once I do that, it says drag and drop the same video in track 2 as well and line them out right here. Once I do that, you need to go to graphics, as you can see right here, and under glass matte pane right here, it says this. So drag one of the matte overlay clip to video 3 track right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and select out, let's say this one, onto video 3 over here. And then once I do that, that is what you have. And make sure that you add the overlay clip just above video 2 track, and you can add multiple overlays clips after one another to get different effects as well. So let me just click on next right here, just like this, and let me just expand this as well, so you can see that this is what you have. So now I'm going to go around under effects right here, just like this, and it says select the track matte key. So this is to be there in video 2 layer right here, just like this. And over here in matte, I'm just going to select video 3 right here, just like this. So it says change the properties of the matte of video 3 using composite setting right here, and I'm going to select matte luma right here, just like this. And then over here, this is what you have. Click on next right here, and it says to get different flavors, click on effect right here, just like this, and go to fast blur and add it over here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto fast blur right here, drag and drop the effect onto video clip 1, it says right here. So let's just go around, add it in right here, just like this, add in a blurriness over here, just like this. Let me really make it blur, and you can see that one part of the video is clear while other is blurred out. Click on next right here, and then over here you can go around onto video adjustment, temporal and tint right here, and select any temperature or tint right here. So let me just go around over here and select out tint right here, just like this, so that it's very different. Then click on next right here, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. So this is the matte effect right here. Press the play button, just like this, and that is what you have, as you can see right here. You can go around and slow it down as well, so you can see that that is what you have right here. So this is the footage, as you can see right here, and then you can go around and work around with it, place it, let's say for example somewhere over here as well, and then that is what you have. So that is what you have, and then as you go around, that is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the glass pane effect inside of guided edit mode in Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.